Hello, I'm here today with Stephen Guise, author of the best-selling book Mini Habits and founder of the award-winning personal development blog Deep Existence.
And I'm here with actress Laura Avname, who has appeared in dozens of productions, including 9 lead roles, and has guest starred in several television shows and commercials.
So, Stephen, I hear you have a bold claim to make for us.
That's absolutely correct. Mini Habit Mastery is Udemy's most important course.
Wow, that is a bold claim. So, what's your reasoning for saying that?
So stay tuned. Increasing your requirement. Yeah, sneaky. It's easy.
Wow, that was a lot of information.
No kidding.
Main takeaways from the entire course.
Well, the first main takeaway is that to form a habit, you have to perform a behavior consistently. Now, that's an extreme example because these people had brain damage. If you can dream it, you can do it!
Be a Fruit Loop in a world of Cheerios.
The mini habit system is simple. It's very easy to follow, but it has a complex, smart backing that's rooted in science. It's fun, it's educational, and it might just change your life. So sign up right now. You won't regret it. Ready?
That bird's alarm's going off.
They come pre-installed with those now.
Unfortunately.
Whoops. No, don't show the brand name.
Okay.